Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a heal orb in Roblox Studio. So let's start. Okay, so if you guys just want to skip to the end for the code, you can do that. But if you want to stay to learn, you're able to do that too. Okay, so what we want to do is rename this orb to heal orb. So whenever the player touches this orb, what we want to happen is that it gets destroyed and gives him health. So what we're going to do is add a script to this orb, just like this. And then we are going to want to put the orb in a variable. So we're going to say local heal orb to be equal to script dot parent. This is just very simple. The parent of the script is the heal orb, and that's just it like that. And what we want to happen is whenever something touches this orb, this heal orb, we want a function to run. So we're going to say connect function. And basically what happens here is whenever anything touches this heal orb, it's gonna run. But we want to check when a player touches the heal orb, not anything. So first thing that we're gonna do is get the players service. So we're gonna say local players to be equal to game get service players. Okay. Next thing that we're going to do is get the character. So we're going to say local character to be equal to hit.parent. So we might say, what is hit right here? It's actually something that we forgot to add. Basically, it's a parameter that it will take, and it's whatever touches this, whatever touches the heal orb, it's basically hit. So we're going to say that the character is hit.parent because whenever a character touches the heal orb, it's not gonna be actually him. It's gonna be maybe his leg, his hand, and I'll explain to you guys this in a second in further detail. So we're gonna say local player to be equal to players get player from character, and we're just gonna say character like this. And then I'm gonna explain to you all of this to you guys in a second, so don't worry about it. We're gonna say if player then enter like this. So if it's a character, let's say if it's a player that touches it, it's gonna give us the character, and then what we're gonna get is from the player service, we are gonna get the character. We're gonna get the player from the character in the player service. Hope you guys understand. It's might be kind of confusing, but don't worry, I will you guys will understand in 1 second. So we're gonna say character dot humanoid to be plus equal, or sorry, yeah, dot health, where it has to be a capital H, dot health plus equal, let's say 50. Okay, just like this. Lastly, we want to destroy the heal orb whenever the player touches it. So we're going to say heal orb destroy, just like that. Now I'm going to explain to you guys what happens. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to print whatever hit is over here, so you guys actually understand. So if you press play like this, what we want to do is we want to get the player's health to, let's say, 50. So what we want to do is do that on the server side, not the client side. So we're going to go press over here to go on the server, and then we're going to go in workspace, GMV show, which is me, and then we're going to go in the humanoid, and then we are going to, let's say, go in health. We're going to make it equal to 50, and over time it's going to generate just something that Roblox does. It's I think like a setting that you can have for your player. He just heals automatically. So whenever we touch this, there we go. We can see that what is it called? We can see that we got 100 health, and it printed right hand, which was hit. So what actually happened? So whenever we go in our player here, so we go in workspace, then player, we're gonna go in our script. What happens is when we say hit dot parent, so anything that touches that block or the heal orb, it's going to be any of these, the head, the left foot, left hand, any of this. So what is the parent of that? It is the character. So we can see after we get the player from the character, and then we say the character, which is this model right here. And then if it gives us something, so if it's not equal to nil, if it's actually equal to something, this code right here, this if statement will run, and that's what basically gives you health and then destroys the orb. So I hope you guys understand this. This might have been a bit confusing. I would recommend you guys to go watch maybe other YouTubers, and I'm actually working on a game right now. It's a Clash Royale and an obby kind of mix. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.